Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 13th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we're going to learn how we can add colors to HTML elements using CSS. So I've got a file opened up in my text editor here. It's called color.html, and within this file you can see that in the body section I've got two paragraphs. The first paragraph is on line number 16 and the next one is on line 17. The first one has the text "Who am I?" and the other one has the text "I am Spider-Man." And within the head section between the style tags, I've got two style rules. One applies to the body element, the other one applies to the paragraph element, and I've changed the font size of the paragraph text to 40 points. And I've also set a value for the background color property for the body element, and I've set the color to cyan. So this is the color that's going to appear as the background color for the entire document, because I've set it for the body element. Now you could use color names as values for the background color property, or you could use hexadecimal codes. And if you do not know the hexadecimal codes for certain colors, then what you could do is you could make a Google search for hexadecimal color codings, and just follow the W3 schools link, and you would be directed to this page. And on this page, this is a color palette, and this is actually a very basic color palette. So if you would select a particular color, let's say you select this one, then you would see the RGB values for this particular color, and you would also see a unique hexadecimal color coding for this color. And this is a 6-digit code, but we'll pick colors from this palette later on. Let me just save this file and show you guys how it looks in the browser. So I'll go to the folder where I've saved it. When I open it in the browser, this is how it looks, right? Now let's go to this page and pick some color from here. Let's pick let's pick this orange color, and let's copy this hexadecimal code, and I'll go to my text editor, and instead of cyan here, I'll paste this code. I'll save the file. I'll go to the tab in which I have this file open, and I'll refresh it, and there you go. I see dark orange or whatever this color is, right? So this is how you can pick colors and put them over HTML elements using CSS. And I hope you guys had fun watching this tutorial. You may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm going to see you in the next tutorial, in which we'll explore CSS further. And in case you have any suggestions for me, or if you have comments to make on my work, the video, then please feel free to type in the comments comment box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.